I heard that question many times, and I sure you heard the same. Anything you want to do in life, it might be you want to do a job, you want to prepare for government exam or anything. One person always be there saying there is a lot of competition. How you can do it? You know how competition hard is. People say like that, and then that question come: how to defeat competition? And that question answer is one: by working more. Yes, and you know it, but you don't know how to work more. And you can go on Google and search, but all those are meaningless. All the solution are because you don't really want that thing. You know why? What you want? You want that money come from that job, government job, or doing that business or anything. You just want money or happiness or that luxury life you get when you achieve that thing. And it rightly said, if you don't love the process, you don't get a destination. So love the process. If you don't love to work for your business, just leave it. Yes, literally leave it because you don't love, so you don't put the effort are important or required, so you don't grow. Might be you get some boost or achieve something little bit, but in longer run it's not help you. So it's very important you choose what you love, and when you choose what you love, there is a no competition because you're ready to put the work and work hard enough to achieve that thing in your life because you love that thing. It if if it study and you love it, you study all the time. You really doesn't matter what are doing in their life. You just study and study, and one day you might be become a as an officer or anything you want in your life. So that's the simple way. You need to defeat, you don't have to defeat a competition. You just need to find out one thing, what you love the most. And once you find out what you love the most, definitely you work hard enough. And that time it really don't feel you are working because you love the thing. So you enjoy that work. So find out what you love, and you don't need to defeat competition. Love what you love.